In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website in WordPress for beginners. Whether you're starting a personal blog, launching a business site, or setting up a portfolio, WordPress is an excellent tool for creating a polished and professional online presence. So, let's dive right in and get started on building your website. First things first, you'll want to head over to WordPress.com. This is where you'll sign in or sign up to get access to the WordPress dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your website. WordPress.com offers a simple and user-friendly interface perfect for beginners. If you don't already have an account, the registration process is fairly straightforward, guiding you through selecting the best plan for your needs, whether you want a free basic site or a feature-rich premium package. Once you're logged in and ready to go, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard, referred to as My Home. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of tasks designed to help you set up your site effectively. Follow these tasks as they will guide you in fleshing out your website step by step. Starting from customizing your site's theme to adding essential pages. This is where you'll start building the backbone of your website. Next, on your website's dashboard, one of the first and most crucial steps is to give your site a name. Choosing a relevant name is important as it reflects the purpose of your website and helps in brand recognition. Take a moment to brainstorm and decide on a name that not only resonates with your audience, but also blends seamlessly with your content's objectives. You can change this anytime, but setting it up right from the beginning creates a strong foundation. After you've named your site, the next step is to write your first post. This is where your creativity and content come into play. Your first post should serve as an introduction, welcoming readers or customers and letting them know what they'll be finding on your site. WordPress makes it easy to add media such as images and videos to enhance your posts, so feel free to explore these options to make your content engaging and visually appealing. Finally, it's time to launch your site. Think of this as opening the doors of your newly constructed store to the public. Launching your site means it becomes visible to the world, allowing people to visit and explore it. Before you do this, take a quick look to ensure everything is in place: your site title, your posts, and your overall design. Once you're satisfied, hit that launch button and voila! You have successfully created your WordPress website. And that's it. With these simple steps, you are now well on your way to becoming a WordPress pro, ready to keep building and expanding your newfound web presence. Remember, the key is to explore and customize to make your website truly yours. Happy website building!